Hello everyone! Welcome back to Pixel Developer. If you are new here, I create videos on Android, Kotlin, and Jetpack Compose, especially focused on Android TV development. So if you want to master building modern TV apps, make sure to subscribe and follow this complete Jetpack Compose TV series. Alright, let's continue our series. Today we're going to learn 3 very important input components used in many TV applications: Checkbox, RadioButton, and Switch in Jetpack Compose TV. These components may look simple, but they are extremely important for real TV apps, especially in settings, preferences, filters, login flows, parental control, and language selection. So it's very important to understand how they behave in a TV environment. In this video, we'll implement Checkbox, TriStateCheckbox, RadioButton, multiple options, and Switch in Jetpack Compose TV, all with proper selection states. The best part is that these components are TV optimized, so they respond perfectly to D-pad remote navigation with focus highlight and smooth scaling animations. IsChecked is a remembered mutable state that stores whether the checkbox is currently selected or not. The checkbox reads this state using checked is checked value and updates it inside unchecked change, so every click toggles the checkbox UI automatically. A tri-state checkbox is: a parent checkbox controls its child checkboxes. If the parent is checked, all children become checked. If unchecked, all children become unchecked. When only some children are checked, the parent automatically switches to the indeterminate state. Tri-state stores the current checkbox state using mutable state of toggleable state, off, so it remembers the selected level. The tri-state checkbox displays the current visual state using state equals tristate.value. Inside onClick, we manually cycle the value off, indeterminate, on, off, allowing the checkbox to rotate through all 3 selectable states. In this code, we are displaying a group of radio buttons in Jetpack Compose where the user can choose only one option at a time. The currently selected choice is stored in the selected option state, and whenever a radio button is clicked, that state is updated and the UI automatically reflects the new selection. Each radio button is paired with a text label, and we have set the text color to white so it's clearly visible on a dark background. Radio buttons are useful when we want the user to pick exactly one item from a list of multiple choices, such as selecting a category, language, or preference. Jetpack Compose also allows customization of radio buttons, where we can change selected and unselected colors, size, layout orientation, and even add animations or custom icons if needed to match the design of the app. This code displays 3 radio buttons, each representing one option, and only one option can be selected at a time. Selected option is a remembered state that stores the currently chosen option. Each radio button checks whether its label matches the stored value, and when clicked, it updates the state to that option. So effectively, this block lets the user pick option 1, option 2, or option 3 with TV-friendly remote selection handling.
Alright, that's a wrap for this video. I hope you found it helpful. The complete source code is available on GitHub. You can find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and comment your thoughts or any questions you have. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, follow us on Instagram for more updates, behind-the-scenes content, and coding tips. Thanks for watching. Keep coding, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy coding.